Hello, welcome and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Leslie if you are new here, and yeah, welcome. Hi, I'm gonna have to like whisper because I don't really be vlogging out in public like this, so this is kind of like a first. But hello, and we got some bomb lighting over here. I'm sitting in front of this window. It's amazing. Unfortunately there's some construction going on over here, so it's not like cute, but the view is nice and the lighting is great. Also, so I initially came in here for this book. It's called Atomic Habits by James Clear. So I learned about this book from this YouTuber, Jenny Day, and I think she learned about this book from TikTok. I'm not so sure. I don't really be on TikTok like that, but I think I need to join Book Talk. I need to follow that hashtag or something, just because like I love reading books and I love when other people recommend books. So I'm excited for this one. Jenny Day was explaining how like it helps you like form new habits and like reach your goals. I don't know, but I'm excited to get into it. I do want to finish. I'm rereading one book right now that I've read for like probably like 4 times already, but I just love the book. It's a fun read. And then I have to finish this one book called Balanced. It was kind of like something that I already knew, so that's why I kind of like didn't want to, well, that's why I haven't been like very invested in like finishing up the book. But I do want to finish it because I feel like I can get something from it, but I kind of like know myself in the way of like, you know, sometimes to be balanced you have to be unbalanced, and how to get back to being balanced, you know, it's like something that you practice. So that's kind of what like that book is about. But I'm like halfway through, so I might as well just finish it. And it's a very like small book, it's short. And then I picked up this one, which is Think and Grow Rich. This is like an old school one. I'm actually gonna see if well, it's not like old school, but it's just like not brand new, you know. I feel like the Atomic Habits is pretty new. This one's $10, so that's why I'm just kind of like, I should just get this one. I love reading books on financial literacy, so anything that will give me more information on how to like manage money and how to you know, be better, make money, save money, become successful, all of that, you know, all of that is stuff that like I love to like, sorry, there's someone that walked by and I got distracted. See, this is why I feel like I can't vlog out in public. But I love self-teaching myself and gaining all the wisdom and knowledge that I can through books. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna buy this. I'm sure it's gonna be good. I have a couple that I've read already. I can make a video based off of like all the money books that like I've read and financial literacy books that you know, and things that I learned from that. I think that would be like a great video, and I could just start recommending like a, you know, a couple of books. Rethinking Money is a great one. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a great one, and then I think the Millionaire Next Door is a great one as well too. And then now I'm gonna read this one. So I think my cousin was reading this one, so I saw him with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and read it too. Oh my god, I'm floored with the lighting. I wish I had a window like this in my house. I wouldn't have to pull out the ring light ever. But yeah, so I'll read a little bit of this one. I already know I'm gonna buy, sorry, the Atomic Habits, and then I'm gonna stop by Sephora and maybe Aritzia. I mean, I'm not trying to spend money again, like I'm a budgeting type of person, so Aritzia isn't in my budget, but I do want to see if I find a budget friendly top. So yeah. So let me just show you guys really quickly what I got today. So from Aritzia, that white shirt that I tried on with the buttons, it was too cropped, and the buttons I felt just kind of made me look like a little girl, and that wasn't the vibes that I wanted. So, and then the long sleeve shirt, it was just too cute for me to wear like for work, because I was looking for tops, cute basic tops that I can wear like at work and still like look professional-ish, you get what I mean? So that's why I just was like, you know what, no, not it. Ended up getting the Chill High Rise in black, size medium. I have the butter leggings and butter biker shorts. I like them. They're cool. Yeah, I got this from Aritzia. And then I did end up going to Zara. Lately, Zara has not been hitting at all. I do not like anything that they've been putting out. It's not giving. Like, did find this shirt, and this was $19.90. So this was actually cute. This is what I mean about like basics for like work and stuff. So it's under $20. The material is like whatever, but yeah, it was cute. It's for work. I might get bleach on it, I might not get bleach on it. It's just, you know, it is what it is. And then I also got, you know, the books. I ended up getting both of the books because yeah, I'll probably read this later, and then once I finish my other books, I'm gonna read this one. That's pretty much all I got. Oh, wait, I ended up getting It's nothing spectacular, but I did get Dior mascara. This is the one and only mascara that I use. It's the Dior Iconic Over Curl in black. So yeah, this is, I love this one, so I always get it. I think I've showed it on like a get ready with me. I don't know if you guys seen it. I just love the packaging. Like, it used to be like a print, but now it's like so bougie. Oh my god, I love it. It's so, ooh, I like it. So yeah, it makes me happy every time I put it on. So that's what I got today. I didn't do too much damage. My nails, oh my god, I can't get over my nails. I cannot believe these are press-ons. So they're the limited edition with like Gamnetic and Hello Kitty and Friends. I ended up buying this other pair. I'll show you guys when I get inside the house right now. These are the ones I have now. It's Karopi. And then I also bought this Hello Kitty one. It's just regular French tip. I love almond on my hands. It's just like the most flattering. All right, you guys, so at Ulta, I think Sephora does the same thing too. They give out gratis, which basically means gratis in Spanish. So like they give us free products. And I've been hearing great things about Good Molecules. It came with this little flyer, and what I got was this instant cleansing balm, which I've been using to take off my eye makeup lately, because I've been doing just eyeliner, mascara, and then like a little bit of concealer, and then just kind of like dabbing it everywhere else. So I've been doing very like light, the most minimum makeup ever. So I actually like it. I don't know if I'll use this for the face, because the ingredients has like shea moisture or shea butter, and that like thicker like stuff tends to break me out. So yeah, and then they gave me this discoloration correcting serum. I'm so excited to try this one. I don't think I have much correcting to do since I do get my treatments. But I am excited about this niacinamide brightening toner, which has vitamin C. I actually was kind of looking into putting some vitamin C into my skincare routine. And if you guys want to know what my skincare routine is, I'll link it up here. It's very simple. I'm very much more like less is more, but I do want something more like brightening and stuff like that. And obviously I'm still working on like my scars, and I have like still like some redness or whatever. But yeah, I've heard great things about this one. I actually started looking at reviews for this one. So as I'm trying it, I'm only gonna try one at a time. I don't like trying a bunch of different products all together. So I'm gonna try the toner one first. Let me see, what are the directions? I think I did watch reviews on this one too. I think there was mixed reviews on the vitamin C toner and like way better reviews on this one. So this is what this one looks like. But I'm excited. I love getting free products. That's why at the end of the day, I'm like, okay. I wish they give out like more often the free products. So yeah, I'll just keep the box because I don't know. Sometimes I forget what the directions are. But let me wash my face. I'm gonna use my Soy Fresh cleanser. This is what I like to use. Oh wait, I have this. I can take my eye makeup off with this. So I'll just go ahead and let you guys know how I like this. Coming from a sensitive skin person.